ikkita ishtirokchi, ikkalasi Samarqandda. Bularni qolgani sizniki bo'ladi. Ochiladi, ochilmasligi o'g'illar. Bu to'g'rimi? Bu chap tarafli to'g'rimi? Mashinani misol uchun manda qoladi 2000 dollar beraman, rozimisiz?
Tushunmaymiz, oladi.
Sizcha? Mashina olib ko'rasiz, tanlaganingizni bitta ochib olasiz. Qanday
I'll never forget that Christmas. I sat up the whole night crying, cause daddy felt like a bum. See, daddy had a job. It broke your mama's heart, and it seemed like everything was just starting to fall apart. Mom and dad was arguing a lot, so mama